This is fetal doppler. For those of us that have cryptic, we can use it on our own because most time scan doesn't pick it. Scan doesn't pick it, and you can use it on your own in the house. This is how it look like. When you open it, this is manual. This is the machine itself. This is the probe that we are talking about. This is the machine. This is the on button. This one is if you want to the volume to go up, you press here. If you want to lower the volume so that you can hear the sound. If the thing is too loud, you lower it from here. Now, this is where you can put your earpiece in case you want only you to hear. Maybe you want another person to hear. You put the earpiece and extend it. This is how you fix it. Now use the probe and put it somewhere. Put it somewhere. Then when you turn the back, this is for battery. Please, it doesn't come with battery. You buy your own battery and you fix it here. Fix it here and cover it well. Then you on. This is on button. Then when you on, you're about to go. You can use olive oil. You can use baby oil. You can even use you have oil, but you can use it without those things. So by the time you do it, this how I believe you can hear the sound and look at the face it's showing. That is how it sounds. But by the time you use it in pregnancy, this sound will be different. Now, what is blinking here is going to be baby heartbeat. So by the time it's not up to 110, 120, it's your own pulse and your own artery. So you have to be careful not to misunderstand the reading. So this is how it look like. And when you finish, please, if you are buying the battery, let it be iron battery. After everything, remove the battery. This is how the battery look like. This is iron battery. You buy iron battery. Then when you finish, you cover it. Please, if you are using oil or gel, make sure you clean this thing. You clean it very well in order to last. If not so, the thing will spoil quick. So this is how the machine look like. You can order it for yourself. It's always available. Then this is the manual. Everything you need to know. Everything you need to know is inside this manual. In case you lost, you can go through the manual and you'll be able to do it on yourself. This is do it yourself. You can do it yourself. Because sometimes scan might not pick it and this one picks. So order.